Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, I had hoped to have a better, longer video together for you today, but it just didn't work out that way. I have been working on stock right here, pumpkins. I'm hoping next week though to possibly have a jack-o'-lantern carving video, and I'm thinking about putting together maybe a jack-o'-lantern carving contest. Beginner, intermediate, professional carver, everybody would be welcome. And what we would do is, you know, you would have to submit your photos of your jack-o'-lantern, and everyone that submits a photo, your name would go in the hat, and we would just draw a winner and possibly have a cool prize, maybe some burrs or something like that. If you guys would be interested in doing that for October, comment below. Let me know. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about doing a jack-o'-lantern contest. And honestly, it doesn't matter what your skill level is. As long as it's a jack-o'-lantern, you know, you'll be entered. And yeah, we'll come up with, you know, everything you got to do for that. But let me know what you guys think so far. So here's all the pumpkins from yesterday. A couple trees and a snowman in there. One tree and a snowman. Today, I knocked out a bunch of small trees. One's black walnut, everything else is pine. And a bunch of pumpkins. All are pine. And that one over here is black walnut. So yeah, this is the carving yard. Working on getting this area cleaned up. I've got some black walnut slabs that I'm gonna be picking up here in the next few weeks. They're still at the mill. The logs are still at the mill. He's gonna be cutting those up for me, and we'll have to stack them back here by those other slabs that I stacked last year. So that'll be good. We got a pile of walnut branches here. We're gonna carve into little stuff and use for small things like coasters and whatnot for on the Etsy store. Yeah, so talking about doing a jack-o'-lantern carving contest, you guys are gonna wanna join the Facebook page, Kyle Hall Woodworker New Carvers, and that's probably where we'll have to enter. So you'll be able to put your pictures on there. Now, it is important. I've had to deny people because you're not answering all the questions. You got to answer all the questions and I'll let you in the group, okay? Yeah, it's important that you answer all the questions. That way there are, you know, we're making sure we don't have any bots or anybody that, you know, is not going to participate and things like that. So if you're interested in sharing your work, whether you're a beginner or a pro, you guys jump on Facebook, Kyle Hall Woodworker New Carvers, and answer all the questions, and then I will accept you into the group, okay? So that'll probably, like I said, be the place to enter the jack-o'-lantern contest once I get that going. That will also end up being a video. We'll share everybody's jack-o'-lanterns, and then we will go live once the contest ends, and we'll draw a winner live for that event. I don't have dates, I don't have times yet. I'm just putting it together and seeing if you guys want to do that for October. That's it. I gotta pick up quick. I gotta go get kids from school. Hopefully next Saturday though, we'll have a jack-o'-lantern carving video. Now I do have a pit bull I've got to carve. Never done one before. That'll be a video coming up here soon, maybe even two. Maybe I'll carve one and then I'll carve the one for the customer after. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. I know the last almost 2 months have been kind of crazy with videos, but I really do appreciate you guys, appreciate all of you. This month we have done awesome with new subscribers. Over 300 people subscribed to the channel. You guys rock. If you're already subscribed or you're hitting subscribe right now, be sure to turn on that bell. Turn on your notifications so you guys don't miss any uploads in the future. Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, check out some videos popping up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.